Today's lesson is evaluating expressions. So we have three main goals today. So number one, be able to substitute a given value for a variable. Goal two, be able to combine like terms in an expression, and I think you are pretty good at those. And number three, evaluate expressions when given a value. So that's just going to be solving the problem when you're given enough information. So our quick notes as a reminder, when we see a term like 4x, so a number right next to a variable, that means multiplication. So 4x is actually saying 4 times x. So if they tell us that, well, x is equal to 7, we would actually do 4 times 7. This can be the same with numbers, except they put them in parentheses. If you have something like a 3 in parentheses next to an 8 in parentheses, that would be the same thing as 3 times 8, which would equal 24. Of course, the numbers have to be in parentheses because if we just had 3 and 8, that would look like 38. So we're going to jump right into our examples. I'm going to quickly let me know. So we are going to ignore the fact that x equals 3 for now, and we are going to combine like terms. So I'm putting a box around 8x, a box around 12x. I'm going to add that up. That's going to be 20x, and negative 7 and negative 4 combined to negative 11. So we've combined like terms. X is equal to 3. So we're going to substitute that 3. Let's use a fancier color, ugly green. Fancier 3, and we're going to substitute that in for the x because x is equal to 3. So our new expression is 20 times 3 minus 11. We're going to solve that and say 20 times 3 is 60, minus 11 is equal to 49. So pretty simple. We're combining our like terms first. We're substituting our x value in to the expression. We're solving using the order of operations. Slightly tougher. I'm going to go below the page break. So we have x squared here. I guess I'm staying with green. I'm going to combine negative 3x and positive 5x. That's going to leave us with positive 2x and our positive 8. So this one, we're taking our x value, we're going to substitute it in here because all the x's have the same value. So now we have 5 squared plus 2 times 5. I can put that in parentheses to help me stay organized, plus 8. So 5 to the second power is 25. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 8. So I did 2 steps on that line. I did the exponent and multiplication, which I think you're capable of doing. But if you feel like you're making some mistakes, make sure you do 1 step per line. 25 plus 10 is 35, plus 8 is 43. Lots of rooms for mistakes. So if you have time, especially on a quiz, I would try and do each of these problems twice. All right. 2x squared. I like to start with my exponents here on the left. Then I'm going to combine negative 6x and positive 2x to get a negative 4x. I have minus 10. And x is equal to 2. So we have 2, and then keep this in parentheses, times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 10. We do our exponents first, so we're going to turn this into 2 times 4 minus 4 times 2. So that's going to be fun. Minus 10. That turns into 8 minus 8 minus 10, 0 minus 10. Final answer of negative 10. So when we write out all the steps and physically replace the x value with the 2, you can see it gets a little complicated, but if you want to skip a step, you're going to be able to do that. All right, go ahead and try number 4. Okay, first thing you should have done is combine your like terms. That'll get you 3 times x squared, and then positive 5x, negative 7x, minus 2x. So after that, you can replace the x's with a 6. So we have 3 times 6 squared minus 2 times 6. 6 squared is 36, so 3 times 36 minus 12, 2 times 6. 3 times 36 is 108 minus 12. That's going to get us 96. Last one. Go ahead and pause it. All right. Combine that. We have 5x squared, then a negative 3x, and a positive 5x is plus 2x. So 5 times 3 squared gives us 5 times 9, plus 2 times 3, 45 plus 6, and we get 51. Good luck on your assignment.